We are going to review top 5 best linen tablecloth. Let's get started. List number 1. SOLINO Home 100% Pure Linen Tablecloth. One of the best linen tablecloths for sale is the SOLINO Home Tablecloth. It's made of pure linen, 100% European flax and handcrafted. We really like the color options with this product. You can choose from natural linen, gray, brown, navy, and purple. All of the options are deep and saturated while still looking perfectly natural. The rectangular 54 by 72 inch size is perfect for a standard sized kitchen or dining room table, and the brand even offers coordinating products that will make your table the envy of all dinner parties. It's important that a tablecloth be easy to take care of, since there's a pretty good chance it will get soiled during a meal. All you have to do is toss it in the washing machine with cold water and a mild detergent. List number 2. Classic Cocktails set of 12 linen HEMSTITCH cocktail napkins. There's no such thing as cheap linen tablecloths, because, no matter what you pay for it, linen just always looks classy and polished. But, if you're looking for a bargain, you can't do much better than our budget pick, this tablecloth from Orient Originals. It's a 60 by 60 inch square made of 100% pure linen, perfect for both a casual party or a formal sit-down dinner. You can even throw it in the washing machine when you're done. One of the reasons that we were drawn to this design is the HEMSTITCH detailing. It adds a bit of polish and is a really nice detail. This one is available in a few colors: natural, charcoal, indigo, and ivory. Each one is a little muted so they keep the look of genuine linen. List number 3. Fabric Textile Products Loom State Pure Linen HEMSTITCH Tablecloth. Next up is the Loom State Tablecloth, and it's one of the best picks for anyone looking for a tablecloth for 7-foot tables. It's big, 60 by 120 total, so it really gives you a nice amount of coverage. This 100% pure linen product is machine washable and can be ironed on a low heat setting to get out any wrinkles from the wash. We love the HEMSTITCH border. It adds some visual interest without being distracting. This one is only available in white, and we really love the way it looks. It reminds us of something you'd find in a fine dining restaurant because it's so crisp and fresh looking. Matching linen napkins are also available, so you can create a gorgeous table for your next dinner party or big holiday meal. List number 4. Organic Linen Pure Linen Square Tablecloth. If you love the look of linen but don't want to cover your whole table with it, this organic linen tablecloth topper is perfect for you. The 35 by 25 inch linen tablecloth topper is made in Ukraine from 100% linen. We were blown away by the details of the designs. There are 8 to choose from. Each has a solid linen background of white, gray, or beige linen. It's the fine details of this topper that make it such a beautiful piece. The designs range from gray ivies and leaves of the grace, harmony, and symphony design to more intricate floral embroidery. Choose from green ivy, red poppies or roses, even bright yellow sunflowers. These pieces are really unique and simply lovely. List number 5. LINENME Provence Tablecloth. The LINENME Provence tablecloth is made from 100% European linen. It's a decent size at 54 by 98 inches. While most of the tablecloths we've reviewed so far have been solid colors, this one makes a bit more of a statement with the addition of a series of stripes. Thin dark brown stripes run down the center of the table against the natural colored background. They're accented on either side with larger brown stripes, which are then repeated near the edge. While it's all done in natural colors, the stripes are bold against the light background, and it will really add a lot of charm to your dining room table. This tablecloth is machine washable and not as light and airy as the other items we reviewed. It has some substance to it and should hold up well.